Hi, my name is Joy. I'm one of the students at Forex for Beginners Academy by Saad Ali. I do want to let you know that I started learning Forex about 3 months now. And before I came upon Forex for Beginners Academy, I was all over the place, okay? I was on YouTube, Google, looking at different videos of others, how they mastered the chart analysis and those things, and I still just was not getting it. I also purchased a couple of learning lessons as well that helped, but not that high quality help, you know, that I needed. I needed someone that could look at what I'm doing and let me know, give me feedback. So what I did was I started searching on Facebook for some type of group that I could join with other beginners that is learning to trade. And what I typed in was Forex, Forex trading, I believe, for learners. And what came up was Forex for Beginners Academy by Saad Ali. And I'm like, okay, let me get in this group. And when I looked at it, I'm like, wow, they actually do feedback in this group. You submit your chart markups in the group and they give you feedback. So I thought that was really cool. And then the website, they have different modules and lessons, and it's all free. Everything is free. So during my learning, I learned how to do trend lines, channels, support and resistance, moving averages, time frame confluences, risk management. I mean, all of the above was taught, okay? And Saad actually took his time to put this together and show us what he knows. And I really love it. I love it. I'm so knowledgeable on Forex trading now that it's unbelievable. I learned so much now. It really helped me with my journey on becoming a trader. And also in the group, again, as I mentioned before, they do the feedback on your chart markups in the group. And also what I found out with Forex Academy for Beginners is what others don't do is we master one pair. We are not all over the place. And that was one of the issues I was having too, is which pair do I practice with, or do I practice with all of the pairs? So I did not know until I got into Forex for Beginners Academy. I want to say Saad, the instructor is really great. And if you are interested in becoming a trader, this is where you need to start, right here with Saad Ali. Thank you so much, Saad. You've been so great, and I will continue to enter my chart markups in the group for you. I love it. Thank you.